In today's rapidly growing world, infrastructure development is essential for ease of living. It connects us, sustains us, and propels us forward. But building exceptional infrastructure requires vision, expertise, and a commitment to excellence. That's where we, Primove Infrastructure Development Consultants Pvt.Ltd, play a crucial role. As our name depicts, we act as prime movers and facilitate growth by engineering and development solutions which are socially acceptable and community-driven.
In 1996, we started a small partnership firm in the name of Primove when we started on the engineering projects at that point of time. And in 1999, we actually converted it into a private limited company. That time, Nilesh also joined us. Right from the initial stage when we started working on watershed projects, one of the important elements of the projects was to build capacity of the citizens, of the communities, of the users.
Today, Primove Infrastructure Development Consultants is one of the leading infrastructure development consulting firms driven by a team of passionate and experienced professionals. We combine cutting-edge technology, innovative design principles, and sustainable practices to create infrastructure that is not only functional but also efficient, resilient, and environmentally responsible. Primove is dedicated in providing comprehensive and innovative solutions across the entire infrastructure life cycle, from planning and design to construction and management. Our spectrum of services mainly divided into providing engineering and development services such as storm water management, sewerage management, detailed project report preparation, project master plans design, project management consultancy, integrated development plan, capacity building, training and institution development, policy research and documentation. From topographical and aerial surveys to engineering designs, and from feasibility studies to comprehensive master planning, we conceptualize, plan, design projects in various sectors such as water, wastewater, environment, storm water management, sewerage management, natural resources management, transportation, and agriculture.
We started working with a small hamlet on water projects, and then the whole training and capacity building was part of the process. It also grew as we grew and as we worked at different levels. Once these reforms were initiated, there was a huge need to work on the social engineering part of these infrastructure projects to make them more relevant, to make them more sustainable. You need to ensure that the community engagement is there, and that's how we started working in Jal Jeevan Mission, which is one of the biggest flagship program, and Swachh Bharat Mission. Primove worked almost in all states of the country.
We are committed to developing infrastructure that enhances the environmental awareness and promotes long-term social and economic well-being. Primove takes the pride in sharing the fact that our work has a profound impact on the communities we serve.
We do work in the farmer-producer organizations, and we have gained expertise in training them, building their capacities and making them market ready so that farmers can take their produce to the end user, customer, in an innovative manner with the value addition and can get more money out of it.
We have helped create a sustainable lifestyle, improved connectivity and mobility, increased access to essential services, enhanced economic opportunities, and moreover, a better quality of life for everyone. Apart from services, we realized importance of developing appropriate technologies in the field of water purification, storage, and wastewater treatment.
Water storages tend to be the most expensive and the most time-consuming aspect in the whole project. And there are places where you can't actually go and construct large reinforced concrete tanks. So we were looking for options to that as well, and we developed our own solutions based on that. So we have a company that makes zinc aluminum tanks with liners inside. So these are tanks which can be really scaled up from being very small, few thousand liters, to lakhs of liter capacity, and they can be installed very rapidly. Similarly, another problem in the water supply sector was the disinfection of water. So we found a solution where we developed a gravity-based system which can be fitted online into the pipes, and that will chlorinate the water as it sort of goes into the water supply tanks. So those two solutions we are commercializing through a company called eSol Solutions, where we manufacture the tanks as well as we manufacture the chlorination devices, and we are selling them across the country as well as outside India.
eSol, an initiative led by our founder, director and CEO, Sourabh, has reached the heights by providing storage solutions and water disinfection services to many corporates and state governments since its establishment in 2013. Our planet is in peril. Pollution, deforestation, and unsustainable practices are taking a toll on our environment. The effects are far-reaching, impacting our health, our ecosystems, and our very future.
Sanitation and wastewater treatment is a big issue in India. You cannot find solutions which are applicable at grassroots level, which are very low operation maintenance solutions, and which don't require so much expenditure in terms of power, operation maintenance, etc. So with that drive, we were looking at different options, and we did a lot of work, research and development, and we came up with a solution which we call as Tiger Biofilter, where you actually use earthworms and bacterial culture to treat wastewater and fecal waste. We patented the technology, we got good recognition nationally as well as internationally for this technology, and we decided to commercialize this through a separate venture. So we registered one organization which we called as TBF Environmental Solutions.
In the last 6 years, TBF has successfully implemented Tiger Biofilter technology across several states in India, as well as in Africa and the USA. We started by building Tiger toilets across the country, which led to using this technology for sewerage and fecal sludge treatment. We have designed and built sewage treatment plants in over 5 Indian states, treating over millions liters of sewage per day in the last 4 years. Additionally, we have designed and built over 10 fecal sludge treatment plants in more than 5 states, treating over 6.5 million liters of fecal sludge in the last 3 years. Over the past 25 years, we have witnessed countless milestones that have shaped our company into what it is today. These milestones are not merely achievements or appreciations. They are testimonies to the collective effort and dedication of our team.
The vision for our company is you always should be the first choice of your clients, of the partners, and of the people who want to work. We want to continue doing that with this technology, innovations, and quantum jump for scaling up.
Looking forward, we think that this group as such has a great potential to expand in terms of revenue-wise as well as in terms of the services and solutions it can provide across the world.
We are trying to be very competitive, learn new things, trying to expand our team and work in the technology space where the environmental challenges that are faced by the world could be mitigated through actions that we do on the ground.
Our journey began with a vision of creating sustainable living and environmentally responsible development. In this endeavor, we built capacities by training 5,000 plus master trainers while conducting over 15,000 training programs, which led to master trainers reaching over 100,000 gram panchayats in 29 states of the country in water, sanitation, natural resource management, and agriculture sectors. Our watershed and natural resource management projects design services has covered more than 100,000 hectares of rain-fed land across India. Our contribution of 450 plus kilometers of road connectivity designs through designing and project management services, which also include the prestigious Nagpur-Mumbai Super Communication Expressway. We are proud to say that we have touched the lives of over 8.5 million individuals in 17 plus cities and 1,000 plus gram panchayats by providing designing and supervision services for drinking water facilities in the country. Our commitment to environmental protection helped us plan and design sewerage management solutions of 1,000 plus MLD of sewage in 21 cities in the country. Since storm water causes flooding in the cities, our expert team has designed and supervised solutions for approximately 500 plus square kilometers area covering 6 cities to prevent the loss of human lives and infrastructure. India is known for its rich farming culture and issues related to small farmers. We formed 350 plus farmer producer organizations, out of which 200 plus organizations are led by women, supporting over 100,000 women farmers in enhancing their livelihood. These women-led organizations have received more than 100 crore rupees credit facilities from various banks. We at Primove are blessed to have like-minded clients on this journey who made all this possible and worthwhile. As we embark on our 25th glorious year, we are overwhelmed by the support, faith, and trust we have received from everyone around us, especially from our teammates. They are not just co-travelers, but the very foundations upon which Primove has been built. 25 years and counting. We remain steadfastly committed to the vision of becoming the first choice of our clients, partners, employees, and the entire Primove family to engineer environmentally responsible and climate resilient growth. Let's build sustainable future together.